You know it's Meatball. My Meatball made me crazy because I still her baby daddy. My little brother Tommy has a crush on Meatball mommy. Meatball show.
Alright, anyway.
Okay. Today we're gonna be making a moist supreme golden butter recipe. Okay, first of all, we got the measuring. I had to redo the measurements because she went a little overboard.
Okay. Oh, take out the shoes.
Open it. Okay, so we have to get our utensils.
I can't open it.
Come here, MeatBalls.
Okay, stop.
I used the knife before.
Do y'all want to redo this? Cause like that, just.
No, it is okay.
No, this is live.
It is okay.
Y'all gonna tell the viewers what y'all doing?
Oh, first of all,
Just pouring the mix in.
as y'all can see.
Maybe all of it.
Then we're gonna pour the water in here all around. One cup of water. And then we got, well, she gonna put 3 eggs
I
in.
want to whisk it.
You gotta wait till the end.
I know that, but I still want to whisk it. However you say whisk. Whisk.
Now we only have 2 eggs left.
You have to say how many eggs we have left.
Every now and then look at the food.
I'm Spanish.
Hello. What did I say?
You said I'm not Spanish, therefore I should not do that.
1/3 cup of butter.
Of butter.
1/3 cup of butter.
Y'all think it's good?
Meatball, just melt it.
Move that. Like that.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put it in the microwave so it can melt and we won't have a hard time mixing it. And Meatball will tell you what we're doing while we're waiting.
We're making cake. Okay. She's putting that in the microwave
For 20 seconds.
for 20 seconds. And she's going to take it out after it's done melting. And put it here.
10, 9,
8, 7,
3, 2, 1.
blast off. Alright, we're done.
Preheat the oven.
It's
The
pretty.
oven's already preheated.
What is the degrees of the oven
This butter
preheated?
smells so good.
Degrees of the oven.
350.
It's at 350. I want to mix.
What did I say? Thank you. You're so
Can you at least mix it right? So we have some mix amount difficulties. Mommy, I know how to make a cake.
Just get the mix.
Mommy called you a moron.
Okay, we're having a little difficulties. You don't have a cake pan.
I'm done.
No, use the white one.
That is nothing compared to done.
Are you going to lick the ball, Juju?
I guess we're gonna have
No.
some cupcakes.
For real?
Mom, can you put this in the oven?
We got some cupcake holders up there. I think.
Put some butter on the bottom.
Ew. That's flat.
Lick it.
Ew, you can't. No, let me do this. Let me do this. No. You get the butter and get a napkin or something and you do that.
Again, what? Do what with the napkin?
Go get some tissue from the bathroom.
Oh wow, she's doing good.
She's doing it very badly.
Mixed
Okay,
it
we're gonna need A
better.
little bit more water.
Mixed it better.
Stop. Stop. Okay, I put a little bit more water
We could not need that much more water.
because it was a lot of
Whoever's car
lumps.
is parked out front, you need to move it. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, what am I supposed to do with this?
Ew. Here.
Just plug right here.
No, I think I know my kitchen. Okay, now she's gonna take this napkin, drag it in there, and then yeah.
No, just
Just slow. She's an evil villain. That's all you have to do. Need tissue for it.
Shouldn't you be back?
That's horrible. That's why I said the napkin. So you can rub it around. The napkin.
You have to be so technical. Hush, please. Thank you.
Didn't you put it in first?
Huh? Cannot work under these conditions.
I don't like the smell of this.
Huh?
You smell like meatball?
Smells good. Meatball! I'm done. She's gonna smear this to the sides and stuff.
Yeah, she should have got the napkin and did it because it would have been easier. Now the bottom of the cake is going to taste like butter.
It's supposed to.
It's still butter. Either way you put it.
Earlier, me and Meatball, so, you know, spend time together. Earlier, me and Meatball, our mom actually made some popcorn in the stove. So what Meatball did to her popcorn was, she took a whole lot of salt and put it in her popcorn.
This meatball
And
took a whole
butter.
lot of sugar and put
So
it in
it
her
tastes like popcorn. And at the end, she ended up trying to mix the two. And she didn't put the excess sugar in there. And it had a whole
She
bunch.
poured it in there.
And it accidentally got in her clothes and in her water. And she
You did that. That was not an accident. Meatball. It's good. Okay.
Y'all need to go ahead and y'all need to.
If you want.
Hey, hurry it up because it's below 10%. They want to listen to me. Well, it could be edited out.
Lexi, that is glass.
No, when anybody...
Pieces of glass in the cake, dude.
You're not like
Oh, I
that.
got to unplug it first.
Yeah,
Would
that
anybody-
would have been a dis-
The makers would like to lick this.
No, don't go there. Stop.
Pull it off.
I'm just going to stir it a little bit more.
Yeah, I'm done with this. See, it's been all day.
That is ugly.
It don't matter. It's gonna melt.
Meatball.
That's why I said get the tissue. You can even have it everywhere. Ew. What? You can finish it. Oh my god. Stop.
Meatball.
I'm gonna get the excess stuff off of the wall.
The access.
Extra.
I know what access, extra, it's the same thing. It has the same meaning.
You're extra.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Alright.
I can tell them.
Okay, she's taking the extra off.
She
You
doesn't
know
like
what I
some of my
mean?
friends.
Yeah, you really love me. Yeah. So, anyway, right?
Go ahead.
Give me the charger.
Ew.
Meatball, can you just...
Lexi.
Stop, you're being so extra.
Put it on. Put it in there. Come on. You can do this. Come on.
Wait, hold it.
I'm holding
Look at
it.
my pinky.
Ah! Lick it off.
That is one ugly batter.
Shut up, you won't have get in it.
Oh, but I can.
You called it ugly.
Okay. That don't mean it ain't good.
You are twins. Be quiet.
What?
Stop, because you're just getting more stuff in. Stop, this thing is heavy.
Okay, you don't want to hold it by yourself, then don't do it. Come on, Meatball.
Okay. Then I'm going to spread it out like it's good.
Yeah.
It almost look like peanut butter.
Meatball is going to spread it out like so. And she's going to put the big M to make
Oh
Meatball.
my God.
Alright. She's gonna Meatball. And B. And B. And B.
Lex her.
It don't matter.
Wow. You're dropping it.
I am so sorry.
You
You know, I'm so
Can
sorry.
you go in the car and get the charger?
No, sir.
No, put the stuff in the oven and be done. Okay, you really.
Y'all better hurry up. It's on 3%.
Uh-oh. Okay.
We have some delays.
So,
She just.
stop. That's why I did that, so I can get all the cake.
3%.
Did Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I did actually. Okay, then we're gonna put this in the oven.
Yes.
And come back later. Have a great day. This is the meatball show.
Yeah.
I'm in the middle. What you doing up there?
Okay, stop recording. Have a nice day.
She's still recording.
Y'all need to sing the meatball in there.
Juju, stop recording or it's not gonna
Meatball
say when it got.
Meatball.
My meatball baby because I still her baby daddy. My little brother told me got a crush on me by mommy. Meatball.